Hello guys, you're welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to change the speed of your mouse. It's actually a simple step. Please don't forget to like, share our video and subscribe to our channel. So just click on search, you will see these settings, or you can click here and type settings. The settings will show up. Click on settings. When you click on settings, click on Bluetooth and devices. When you click on Bluetooth and devices, scroll down, you see mouse, right? Click on mouse. Now this is where you change the speed of your mouse. So once you are, if your mouse is very slow, you move it up. If your mouse is if the speed of your mouse is quite high, you bring it down. I actually like keeping mine at 10. So just say once you are done, just close this window, right? That is it. Another way to change the speed of mouse is through control panel, right? Control panel, go to hardware and sound, devices and printer, look at mouse, click on mouse, go to pointer option, you can move the speed. Once you move the speed to the, if you want it to be faster, if you want it to be faster or you want it to be slower, once you move the speed, select pointer speed, click on apply and say okay. Thank you. I hope you learned a new thing today. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you have any topic you want us to discuss, please put it on the comment box.